Auzubillahi minash-shaytanir-rajim. Bismillahir-rahmanir-rahim. Dear students of class 10th, आज हम आपकी इंग्लिश किताब का एक टॉपिक फ्रॉम द डायरी ऑफ ए यंग गर्ल पढ़ेंगे. So our today's topic is from the diary of a young girl that has been written by Annie Frank. जहाँ तक इस टॉपिक का ताल्लुक है, ये एक जो राइटर हैं एनी फ्रैंक, उसने 13 साल की उम्र में अपने घर के हालात को डायरी में लिखा. तो बाद में ये एक बहुत बड़ी किताब बन गई जिसको बहुत सारे लोगों ने बाद में पढ़ा. So as far as Annie Frank is concerned, Annie Frank was a German-born Jewish girl. She was young and intelligent daughter of Otto Frank. She was born when Nazis had occupied the Germany and her family had to move away to Holland. Though she had nice family and friends, she considered herself alone and in depressed mood. She had friends to whom she could tell them only ordinary things. She was in search of a real and sincere friend to whom she can open her heart. यानी उसके पास कुछ उसके साथ कुछ यानी उसके कुछ दोस्त थे, उनके साथ वो ऑर्डिनरी चीज़ें डिस्कस करती थी, बट वो इन सर्च ऑफ ए गुड फ्रेंड थी जिसके साथ वो अपनी फीलिंग्स को शेयर करेगी. एनी फ्रैंक थॉट इट कुड बी ए डायरी टू हर रियल एंड ट्रू फ्रेंड. सो शी थॉट दैट इट वुड बी ए डायरी. ये एक डायरी हो सकती है जो उसका सही और ट्रू फ्रेंड बन सकती है. Annie Frank was too young when she started writing diary. वो बहुत मासूम थी, बहुत छोटी थी जब उसने डायरी लिखना शुरू किया. She was absolutely right in saying she thought that paper had more patience than people. तो उसके कहने के मतलब यह है कि जो कागज़ है इसके पास ज़्यादा सब्र होता है लोगों से. And no one would even know what she had written in diary. She wrote her diary into Dutch language and later on it was eventually translated into many languages. Later on her diary writing was translated into different languages. तो ये था एनी के बारे में. Annie talks to her friends about ordinary everyday things. जैसा कि मैंने आपको बोला कि एनी जो थी वो ऑर्डिनरी थिंग्स जो हैं, रोज़मर्रा की बातें अपने दोस्तों के साथ शेयर करती थी. Perhaps she was in search of a real friend to whom she can open her. She was in search of a good friend so that she can talk to her. She can express her feelings with him or her. She finds a friend and calls it Kitty. So she finds a friend, as I have already told you that she thought that diary would be her best friend and she called this diary as Kitty. यानी डायरी का नाम इसने बाद में किटी रखा. It is a diary in which she does not jot down the facts but also pens down her most intimate feelings. Jot down means write down. She not only in that very diary she not only write down the facts, यानी वो फैक्ट्स ही इसमें नहीं लिखती थी, बट ऑल्सो पेन्स डाउन हर मोस्ट इंटीमेट फीलिंग्स. बट जो उसकी पर्सनल फीलिंग्स थी वो उसमें उसने पेन डाउन की, राइट डाउन की. इन दिस लेसन शी इज प्रोवाइडिंग अस अ ब्रीफ स्केच ऑफ हर लाइफ. अपनी ज़िंदगी की ब्रीफ स्केच हमें वो बताती है. एंड हर इमोशनल एसोसिएशन विथ हर ग्रैंड मदर, और अपनी ग्रैंड मदर के साथ जो उसकी इमोशनल अटैचमेंट था उसके बारे में वो इसमें बताती है. She also presents a picture of a classroom situation in which Mr. Keesing, maths teacher, is annoyed with her. वो अपनी क्लासरूम सिचुएशन के बारे में इसमें बताती हैं कि जब उसका जो मैथ टीचर था मिस्टर कीसिंग, वो उसको नाराज़ हो जाता है एंड असाइंस हर टू राइट एन एसे, और बाद में उसको वो एक ऐसे लिखने के लिए बोलता है. चैटर बॉक्स, ऐसे का नाम था चैटर बॉक्स. चैटर बॉक्स मीन्स ए पर्सन हु टॉक्स अ लॉट, जो ज़्यादा बातों नहीं कछुआ, जो ज़्यादा बातें करता है उसको चैटर बॉक्स बोलते हैं. शी हाउएवर justifies being a chatterbox in her essay that makes Mr. Keesing allow Annie to talk in the class. She later on justifies herself being a chatter in her essay, and later on Miss Keesing allow Annie to talk in the class. बाद में उसको बात करने की इजाज़त दी गई क्लास के अंदर. तो चलिए हम लेसन थोड़ा सा शुरू करते हैं. राइटिंग इन अ डायरी इज़ रियली a strange experience for someone like me. Annie says that writing in a diary, it's a very strange thing for, it's a very unknown thing for, unknown experience for someone like me. It's a very strange experience. अनोखी experience है ये किसी के लिए, just like Annie. Not only because I have never written anything before, ये इसलिए नहीं कि मैंने कुछ पहले भी लिखा है, इसने पहले कुछ नहीं लिखा है, but also because it seems to me that later on neither I nor anyone else will be interested in the musings of a 13-year-old schoolgirl, because she thought that no one later on no one would read her, no one would be interested in reading her books, because she is a little girl, she is just a 13-year-old girl, and no one would be interested in reading her books. Oh well, it doesn't matter. Later on she says that it doesn't matter for her. I feel like writing, and I have an even greater need to get all kinds of things off my chest. She says that she likes writing, लिखना पसंद करती है, and she is having some emotions in her heart which she want to express, which she want to take out from her chest. यानी अपने दिल के अंदर उसके कुछ ख्यालात हैं, अपने जहन के अंदर उसके कुछ ख्यालात हैं जिनको वो बाहर लिखना चाहती है, उनको एक्सप्रेस करना चाहती है. Paper has more patience than people. She says that paper is having more patience. पेपर के पास ज़्यादा कंपैशन है, सब्र है लोगों से. I thought of this saying one of those days when I was feeling a little depressed. This is the thought of those days of Annie when she was feeling a depression and was sitting at home with my chin in my hands. She was sitting in her home, annoyed, depressed, putting her chin in her hands, bored, and she was bored at that time, and listless. Listless means with no energy or interest. She was not having interest at that time, wondering whether to stay in or go out. And she was wondered at that time. She was amazed at that time whether she would go out or she should stay in her home. I finally stayed where I was. And finally, she says that she stayed there where she was. वहीं बैठ गई जहाँ पर वो थी. Brooding. Brooding means she was serious. Yes, paper does have more patience. And she was still saying that paper is having more patience. कागज के पास ज़्यादा सब्र होता है. And since I am not planning to let anyone else read this step-backed notebook, and she says that she's not planning to let anyone else read this step-backed. कोई वो इस प्लान नहीं करती थी कि कोई मुझे इस किताब को पढ़े, इस नोटबुक को पढ़े. Grandly referred to as a diary, unless I should ever find a real friend. It probably won't make a bit of difference. Now I am back to the point that prompted me to keep a diary in the first place. Now she says that she is back uh, mm, to that point which incite her, जिसने उसको मजबूर किया कि टू कीप अ डायरी इन द फर्स्ट प्लेस, कि डायरी पहले मैं डायरी लाऊंगी, उस पर लिखूंगी. आई डोंट हैव अ फ्रेंड, उसके पास कोई दोस्त नहीं था. Let me put it more clearly, since no one will believe that a 13-year-old girl is completely alone in the world. She says that she want to clear it, that since no one will believe, कोई इस पर भरोसा नहीं करेगा कि 13 साल की बच्ची जो है वो completely अकेली होगी इस दुनिया के अंदर. And I am not. And she also says that she is not alone. I have loving parents and a 16-year-old sister. She says that she is having loving parents. उसके पास माँ बाप हैं, प्यारे माँ बाप हैं, and a 16-year-old sister, और एक 16 साल की बहन है. And there are about 30 people I can call friends. So she says that there are 30 friends. There are 30 people who are her friends. I have a family. She says that she's having a family. Loving aunts. She's having loving aunts and a good home. And she also is having good home. No, on the surface I seem to have on the surface I seem to have everything. So as far as uh, her mind is concerned, she says that she is having everything except my one true friend. The thing which he is not having is her true friend. जो उसके पास नहीं था वो सिर्फ एक अच्छा दोस्त नहीं था. All I think about when I am with friends is having a good time. When she is talking with her friend, that is a good time for her. I can't bring myself to talk with anyone anything but ordinary every things. But when he talks with friends, he just talk with them. He share just ordinary everyday things. यानी आम दिनों की बातें वो उनके साथ करती थी. We don't seem to be able to get any closer, and that is the problem. We don't seem to be able to get any close. We don't go closer to each other. She says that she don't go very much close to her friends, and that was a problem. Maybe it is my fault that we don't confide on each other. She says that, so it is, I think it is the problem of Annie that she is not going very close to her friends. In any case, that is just how things are, and unfortunately they are not able to change. So she is that is just how, these are the problems, these are things which he is possessing, and unfortunately they are not able to change. And she says that it is very unfortunate that they are not exposed to change. That is why I have started the diary. That is why she started writing her thoughts on the diary. To enhance the image of this long awaited friend in my imagination, I don't want to jot down the facts in this diary the way most people would do. So now the diary has become her true friend. She says that she is not, she don't want to write down. Jot down means write down. She don't want to write down the facts in this diary the way most people, in that way which the ordinary people, which the other people are using. But I want a diary to be my friend. She says that she wanted a diary to be her friend, and I am going to call this friend Kitty. Now she is calling this friend as Kitty. Now she has given name to her diary as a Kitty. Since no one would understand a word of my stories to Kitty if I were to plunge right in. So she says that if I am calling my friend Kitty, and no one would understand what actually the Kitty is, I would better provide a brief sketch of my life, much as I dislike doing so. So she says that she will tell us the brief sketch of her life. वो अपनी ज़िंदगी के बारे में कुछ लिखेगी इस डायरी के अंदर. मच एज आई डिसलाइक डूइंग सो, बिकॉज वो इसको पसंद नहीं करती थी, ये कहना पसंद नहीं करती थी. माई मदर द मोस्ट adorable father. My father, the most adorable father I have ever seen. She says that he was having a loving father. Adorable means very lovable father. I have never seen. Don't marry my mother until he was 36. She don't married until her mother was 36. When her mother was 36 and she was 25, her father was 25. My sister Margot was born in Frankfurt. She says that her sister Margot, she was born in Frankfurt in Germany in 1926. I was born on 12 June 1900. So means Annie was born in 12 June 1929. I lived in Frankfurt until I was 4. Annie says that she was living in Frankfurt up when she was 4 years old. My father emigrated to Holland in 1936. So later on, her father migrated from her native country to Holland in 1933. My mother, Edith Hollander Frank, went with him. So her mother also went with her father to Holland in September, while Margot and I were sent to Aachen to stay with our grandmother, and her sister Margot and Annie, they were sent to Aachen. Aachen is a place and to stay, so that these two sisters, they can stay with their grandmother. Margot went to Holland in December. Later on, Margot went to Holland in December, and I followed in February, and Annie followed her in February. When I was plunked down, when she was put down on the table as a birthday present for Margot, and when she was put on the table as a birthday gift for the Margot. So I think this is sufficient for today. Inshallah, tomorrow we will continue. Thank you.